Hello, my name is Martin Andrews from AED.ca. Today we're going to show you how to use an AED. AEDs are simple to use and they're designed for anyone to use. Formal training is not required. The basic criteria to know when to use an AED is if a person is unresponsive, not breathing, and has no pulse. 3 steps to follow. 1. Call 911. 2. Start CPR. And 3. Have someone retrieve the AED. Once it arrives, turn it on and follow the instructions.
Unit OK. Automatic defibrillator. Stay calm. Check responsiveness. Call for help. Open airway. Check breathing. Adult patient selected. If patient is a child, press Child button. Remove pad package. Cut or tear clothing to expose patient's bare chest. Open pad package. Attach pads to patient's bare chest. Don't touch patient analyzing. Don't touch patient analyzing. Shock advised. Don't touch patient. Shock will be delivered in 3, 2, 1. Shock delivered. Start CPR. Push to match the tone.
Continue doing CPR until the AED prompts again for another shock analysis. You continue this cycle of the AED and CPR until the person regains consciousness or until the paramedics arrive and take over. It's important to note that you cannot hurt someone using an AED. It will only deliver a shock if it is needed. Any questions about AEDs? Contact us at AED.ca.